Okay, good morning everyone. So, first of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Aldi and I will be a moderator for this presentation. So today, Wayan Janardi will be present about the article about an analysis of teacher strategies in teaching reading comprehension and Madani Super Camp English Course. For Wayan, time is yours.
Okay, my name is Wendy Ganadi. Yeah, I'm studying here. I'd like to present my research with the title and analysis of teachers' strategies in teaching reading comprehension in knowledge program and schools. Next. Okay, table of content. The first is introduction. In introduction, we have we have 5 points. The first is method of study. The second research purpose, and the third is research question. The fourth significance of study and the fifth definition of term. The second is literature review. We have 3 points in this literature review. The first is theoretical framework, learning variable, review relevant study, and third is methodology. We have 5 points in methodology. The first is research design, research setting and subject of study, method of data collection, and the last is analysis. Okay, next. The first is the background of the study. Reading comprehension is key skill that supports a individual's literacy development, which in turn influences person's participation in a knowledge-based society. However, statistics show that reading comprehension levels, especially among students, are still low amid change in technology and the need for digital literacy. The need, the need to improve reading comprehension is increasingly urgent. Reading comprehension is a key skill that supports an individual's literacy development, which in turn influence a person's participation in a knowledge-based society. However, statistics show that reading comprehension levels, especially among students, are still low, with change in technology and the need for digital literacy. Okay, next. Second is research purpose. The first is explore the potential collaboration between students' reading comprehension and abilities and their overall proficiency in English language. Second is investigate the role of socioeconomic factors and educational factors is to students' reading comprehension within the context of English language course. And last is identify specific strategies and intervention that can be employed within the course to help students overcome reading obstacles. Next. Next is research question. We have 3 research questions in this point. The first is what teaching methods and material are most effective in improving the reading comprehension skill of students in English language course. Second is how do student cultural and linguistic backgrounds influence their reading comprehension abilities in English language course. And the third is what is the impact of technological tools and platforms as online learning research on the reading comprehension of students in English language course. Okay, next. And the next is significant of study. We have 2 points of significant of study. The first is improved language education. That is, ensuring reading comprehension is fundamental to language acquisition. This research can lead to the development of more effective teaching methods and materials. Second is address diversity. That is, understanding how cultural and linguistic backgrounds affect reading comprehension can help create more inclusive and culturally sensitive teaching approach. Next. Next is definition of term. We have 2 points in this definition of term. The first is reading comprehension. The ability to understand and interpret written text, including the composition of vocabulary, sentence structure, and the overall meaning of text. Second is teaching methods. That is strategies and approaches employed by instructor to impart knowledge and skill to students. In this context, teaching methods refer to the techniques used to improve reading comprehension. Next. Next is literature review. The first is theoretical framework. Okay, We use the cognitive theory of this theory development book. This theory explores how the individuals process information, understanding text, and construct meaning. It can be applied to understand the cognitive process involved in reading operations such as encoding, storage, and retrieval of information. Next is learning variable. In a recent study of reading comprehension within the English language course, researchers will investigate various learning variables. This includes measuring the students' reading comprehension skills, exploring different teaching methods used in the course, examining the influence of cultural background and linguistic proficiency, assessing the impact of technological tools, studying socioeconomic factors, and considering the role of instructor support and collaborative learning. Next is review relevant study. We have 4 points of this review relevant study. The first is the impact of teaching methods in reading comprehension in ESL classes. This study investigates the effectiveness of different teaching methods, such as the use of technology, group activities, or traditional instruction in training reading comprehension about English as a second language. The second is cultural background and reading comprehension in English language learners. This research delves into how students' cultural background influence their reading comprehension abilities, and it explores the challenges and opportunities presented by diverse cultural perspective within an English language course. The result is the role of technology in English language learning and reading comprehension. Focusing on the impact of technology, this study examines the use of online platforms like ebooks and language learning apps in improving students' reading comprehension skill in English language courses. And last is socioeconomic factor and reading proficiency in English language courses. This research investigates the connection between socioeconomic status, access of educational research, and reading comprehension outcomes of our English language learners. Next. Next is methodology. The first is research design. This research aims to find out the strategies used by English teachers in teaching reading and how they apply these strategies. Research was designed as qualitative descriptive research. Next. Research setting. This research will be conducted at Malaysia program with a focus on strategies in teaching reading comprehension by conducting interviews with teachers and at Malaysia programs. Subject of study from this research will be the teachers in Malaysia program and schools by identifying the educators who will be implementing the reading comprehension strategies and provide the information about their teaching experience, qualification, and background. Next. Next. Okay. Next is method of data collection. The first is survey and questionnaires. Develop survey questionnaires to collect quantitative data on student perspectives, attitudes, and self-reported reading comprehension skills include like scales, multiple choice, question, and open-ended items together a variety of insight. Next is interviews. Conduct the individual or group interviews with students, teachers, and administrators to collect in-depth qualitative data. Use a semi-structured or structured interview format to explore experience, opinion, and reflection on teaching strategies. The last and observe a class session to witness firsthand to the application of reading operations strategies. Use an observation checklist to record specific behaviors, inflections, and teaching methods. Next is data analysis. Okay, the data analysis just metric analyze, identifying and specifying terms or patterns in qualitative data such as interview transcript or open-ended survey responses. Next is content analysis. This is systematically categories and interprets textual data to uncover trends or insights related to teaching strategies and understanding learning. The theory to developing a theory or conceptual framework that is grounded in data, allowing terms and concept to emerge naturally. Next. Okay, thank you. Maybe that's all my presentation.
Okay, thank you, Wyatt. Any question, everyone? Okay, time is yours.
Okay, thank you, moderator. My question is, what method do you use for this article?
Okay, this article I use quantitative and qualitative data because in this research, yeah, we have to use the questionnaires for collect the quantitative data and interviews and observation to collect the qualitative data.
That's all.
Okay, I think that's all. Thank you for your attention, everyone. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Okay.
Ya, tuh, kan?